Okay, before we get started, welcome back to Nicole House to Home. This is the last week you guys will see this pantry being worked on. We just doing the little finishing touches on it, and that's it. Be blessed, you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. That bag won't, you know, that plastic won't burn. So yeah, so you're not gonna get to see me do the paint on the top of the ceiling because I don't want it to be dark. But here's the paint. There's some white paint. And my little paint brush. Let's go. The paint job, and as I told y'all guys that I was gonna burn that plastic bag if I had that light on longer than I should, and this is how it look. And you put it on there and it just smoke. So I'm trying to wait till it get like good and hard so I can just peel it off with my hand. But this is how it look. It is so cute. Remember, I could give you the flashback picture, but it.
You want me to cut the wood?
Yes. Okay, what you're looking at in this clip is Ishmael is cutting another piece of wood for that baseboard, and then also I put a piece of wood on the side of that wall because it still had the outside installation on it. So just to cover it, I just put a piece of wood on it, and I also stained the baseboard to match the other one. I'm just explaining the little things that we did. So Ishmael is finna fill this in, like I told y'all last time, because we don't want this to look like that. So he gonna put a piece of wood right there, so it could look clean, like a clean piece. After that, that's the end of the pantry. I'm gonna show you everything that's in here. But we doing that now. Just cut a piece of wood and put it over here, and then we're gonna paint it the same color as the wall. That is that. We did the side the wiring with the color. We did the bottom to make that match that, and this is gonna get caulked and painted. So there go the caulk I did down there.
I want to show you the caulk that went on the wood from the top all the way to the bottom. Let me point to you. You can barely see it. You're right in there. Trying to hope this thing doesn't lose focus. I think she did a nice job on it. And we're almost done. And that's the final piece at the bottom.
Okay, before we go to the next clip, I gotta tell y'all something. I ended up burning that wire in the pantry, so I had to call in my brother-in-law so he can fix it for me. This is the guy I call when I can't get anything right. He will set me on the right path. That's the problem. The wire was green, so we had to take that off and rehook it. And then we should have lights in a minute.
You want to cut it off though?
You want me to cut it off?
What?
The light.
Yeah, let me see. Let me hit.
You think the bulb probably blow?
Shit, the bulb might be, I don't know, but let's see.
I think once you get full power, it'll come on.
Yeah, there go a wire, there go right there.
It looks so cute being painted. And this is the last installment on this pantry. We're gonna put up crown molding all around. This man gonna do his little thing on this wall that he wanna do, and that's it for the pantry. The next time you see it, maybe I'll be decorating it or whatever, but yeah, this is the last week messing with this darn pantry. The last week. I am so excited, excited, whatever kind of else word I can use. Yeah, I'm just, whew, this been a 3-year journey. But we are finally done.